Hi everyone, welcome back. Hope you guys are having a great day. So this is a clip from a previously recorded video. This is a much shorter clip of it. But as always, not financial advice for entertainment only. Do your own research. And I'm invested in closing companies. And if you enjoy this type of content, hit the like button, subscribe, helps me out tremendously. And let's get into the clip. So BitDigital right now is at 1.2 exahash. Currently, future hash rate about 2.8. They still have quite a ways to go. We can see that their BTC mined has been also kind of like a roller coaster ride here, especially in the beginning of the year. They had a nice ramp up here in July. 242. August was 145. Then they peaked here in October at 152, and have continued to slide down a little bit here with nice little improvement here in March of 119. In March, I'm debating or not whether that BTC provided, the number provided to us, also includes some of the staking that they get from other coins. Then that's bumping them up a little bit here. But I haven't had any definitive answer on that yet, so I'm leaving it as it is. All right, now BTC value for them as far as HODL is 13.06% right now of the market cap, of their total market cap, which is market cap is 139 million right now. Hash rate left to install is about 1.5 exahash based on what we have for them. And then their future hash rate is supposed to be about 2.8 exahash. BTC mined last month was 119. They sold only 91, so they are selling less than what they mined, which is good. And their BTC HODL right now is about 725. Bitcoin is 724.8 as it is. Okay. Now we can see that their monthly BTC mine difference has been kind of up and down, has been negative here a lot of times as well, which is not good. And that's based on they could be turning off some of the older miners as well that are operational and trying to get new miners in. And they've been having a pretty hard time getting all of their miners situated into a hosting facility ever since, I think it was last year when they started to move, or was it 2021? I can't remember now. Might have been prior to that when they were trying to move out of China, when China banned all the Bitcoin mining. Okay, so that's maybe still an impacting them there. BTC HODL, you can see here that has been coming up here through January of this year. And then they sold off quite a bit here in February and, well, more so in February than anything else than in March. But for the most part, they've been selling approximately like 115. They sold a little bit more here in November, 110, so 115 to 120 or so. Sold only 91 here in March right now. BTC per, this should be BTC per exahash number here for them. They did actually really good here for them end of March at 95. Like I said, that's might be because they have also provided the staking portion of the Bitcoin that they got for it in there instead of just their own production numbers. But that's above average for all the miners that we cover. They're at the top end here. Okay, so that's that. Hash rate and revenue. Let's take a look at that really quick here. So hash rate, like I said, it has been bouncing kind of all over the place here, depending on what they provide us on monthly updates. And their best month was in October with 1.36 exahash, or actually November was 1.37 exahash that they were mining. They are at 1.25 exahash right now, so you can see the monthly differences here. And we do have a couple months where they're down here, but for the most part, they have been going up a little bit here, and they should continue to the upward trend going into this year as well. This is for, this should be for the Bitcoin value, I believe. Let's take a look at which one's that one supposed to be. That one is what they actually made. So that's their revenue, Bitcoin revenue value. So what that one is supposed to be. Bitcoin, monthly Bitcoin revenue. Okay. So that has been also up and down all over the place here. For the most part, their best month was, it looks like August, 3.25 million. And then this past month, March, they're at 2.9, almost 3 million as well. So that has increased here a little bit for them as well. So that's good to see. But that's also a benefit of Bitcoin going up in value as well. Okay, so that's that one. And then you can see how much here they sold. BTC sold value. They've been selling approximately about right around 2.4 to 2.5 million on average here. They did sell quite a bit here, about 8.9 million in February. And that could be for newer miners, I believe, that they reported of buying. But March was also a much closer to where they were before. So I think this is just to pay their operating expenses as it is for them. Okay. Last 4 quarters, we don't have, I don't think we have Q4 for them. Otherwise, it would be in here. So this is the last 3 quarters that we do have for Q1, Q2, and Q3. We can see the revenue has been increasing here, but we don't know for Q4 yet. And this is the current quarter estimate of 7.69 million. Last 4 quarters of operating costs, we only have 3 quarters, so that has been also going up as well. We'll see how that one plays out when we get Q4 numbers for them. And then other metrics here, we can take a look at. Cost of money 1 BTC has been coming down, so that is a good sign there for them. But like I said, we'll have to wait for Q4. The Bitcoin mine quarterly has been going up as well, so that's good there. But we really need to see Q4 for them. And what else do we have here? Debt to equity, that has come down here quite nicely, so that's good here. And then current ratio has gone up, so that's good there as well. But we'll have to wait until Q4 results. Total current assets has come down, and that's based on Bitcoin value over that period of time. Total current liabilities has come down a little bit here as well. They don't have a lot of debt, which is good as well. And then analysts are looking at about $3 for the high to $2 for the low. They are currently at, I got to update this one as well because I forgot. They are up here, $1.69 right now. And that still gives me thinking that they are still a little bit undervalued right now, right? I have them at a P of 10 here with current potential revenue for the last 4 quarters of 31.8 million. 50% of that is 15.9. P of 10, we're looking at $1.93. And they're at $1.69 right now. So I still think that they are a little bit undervalued from where I think they should be really, ideally. But we'll see. So that's kind of close to where I'm looking. They're looking at $2 on the low end. It's kind of where I'm at right now with a P of 10. If we bring them up a little bit here to a P of 15, that would get us closer to the $3 range is kind of what they're looking at. Okay. I'm looking at P of 10 because their growth has been pretty slow here. And they are approximately, what are they at? Well, they still have 124% growth. So I could get them up to 15 PE on here because they do have still some growth left in them quite a bit. Okay. So that's it for Bit Digital. Let me know what you guys think of them as well. And